Wee! Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Listen, first let me say thank y'all for stopping by my page. I just rebrand myself, so that's why the logo is different. My name is different, a little bit on there. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, please. Hit that like button, comment, share, and all of that. Nevertheless, let's get back to the show. Man, these pictures are beautiful, but that ain't what I want to talk about. This Florida heat wave this week in the Tampa Bay area, oh my gosh. Ooh, listen, I was only able to get 5 minutes of some footage, and I had to break it down because I'm like, it was way too hot. So I'm sitting here, as you can see, this. I ain't even had time to really put the drone up, but I wanted to get some footage. That heat wave was something serious. So I said, let me get some low flying. I haven't, did nothing like this in a long time. So I'm like, let me do it now. But it was beautiful. I'm like, okay, I can do this. I had a fear for doing this only because the last time I did this, I forgot to turn the obstacle avoidance back on. And, I went flying later that day, and things didn't go well. And I was in my feelings, but I got the drone back, obviously. But that was last year when this happened. So this time I said, don't forget to turn the obstacle avoidance back on. And here we are. So I'm doing this low flying again with the obstacle avoidance off, just having a good old time in the shade because it is really, really, really hot. I was drenched and I was only out here 5 minutes, y'all, literally. So I was just like, okay, we done with this. But nevertheless, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank y'all so much, man. I love y'all so much, and I'm out.